Drum roll, please. Are you ready for this? What are we going to be drawing in May? We are doing continuous line selfies. Woohoo! There's me and Rosie. And it doesn't have to be super complicated. There's me in my ajolote t-shirt and my coffee. I find that first of all, I just want to say I love doing a continuous line selfie challenge because I feel like it pushes buttons like nothing else. Here's me and all the money. And so what else have we got here? Oh, there's some paid supplies. Oh, there's my hands. That's not a continuous line selfie, but oh, here's me trying to look at my phone and getting totally overwhelmed at all the BS that's pouring out of our phones every day, right? Oh, here's me in winter getting some love letters in the mail. I like to make things up, right? Because I'm never in snowy winter, and I haven't gotten mail in like 20 years. I don't get paper mail anymore. Oh, here we go. Kiss my, what does it say? Kiss my grits, right? There we go, right there. And so for May, I have all kinds oh, here's a fun one. I think it's the first one. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, my goodness, right? It's sort of a backward, back view selfie. Super fun. And the selfies are just it helps you go deeper with your intuitive drawing. If you're interested in intuitive drawing and not being a copycatter and not always looking at photos, I do it. I'm not knocking it. It's great for my practice, but a continuous line selfie helps us get stronger with our composition and like it's not correct, and I always seem to make myself 20 years younger, right? And here I look just like my doll, right? So it just is a great way with a Sharpie, and I use some saturated inks, but this is just middle of the road paper, right? Mixed media, right? Which is not their watercolor, right? And so it's just a really great daily way for the month of May to test your drawing chops, right? And it's funny and it's horrifying because sometimes I look 800 years old and sometimes I look 22 years old and everything in between. I look cute, I look ugly, I'm an old hag, I'm a young maiden, I'm a wise crone, I'm a powerful entrepreneur, I'm a sad woman, I'm a sleepy woman, right? Like there's a million different ways, and there will be prompts for May. So super excited to be doing the May continuous line selfie challenge. And I'm looking forward because it's hilarious just to see how everyone draws themselves, and there's all kinds of emotions that come up. Everyone says, oh, I don't like to focus on me, and oh, that's so selfish, and that's the whole selfie, me. I get it, but honestly, I don't care. And you know what? Nobody cares. I mean, if someone gives you some flack over it, big deal. So what? Who cares? Because you know who cares? Nobody. Look what's happening in the world. If you want to draw to yourself every day for 31 days, I say have at it. If you want to make fun of me for drawing myself, have at it, because I really don't care. I really don't care. The world is ending. The world is collapsing. Everything is going upside down and just being bust wide open. And that probably includes our souls, right? Like I feel a little raw in the world. I'm feeling a little sad about things, but I'm also kind of excited in a strange way. I don't even know why, but I am. I live in Mexico City, and I'm an artist, and I get to draw this cool city, and I get to plan. I just was in Ireland drawing there, and I got Felix Scheinberger coming back to Mexico, and so looking forward to that, and I'm hoping to do a workshop in Ireland, and let's just see, I'm going to stay positive until the day I die. That's what it's all about, and I feel like my continuous line is going to help me get there to the finish line, right? Because there is literally just something super powerful, witchy powerful about continuous line.